Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire. Let's take a look at this 2014 Black Prince ex-hire boat. It's been completely refurbished when she was bought off Black Prince 4 years ago. All your electrics, there's an inverter behind here. She benefits from a new engine. Through 2022 she had a brand new engine fitted, got 450 odd hours. Wardrobe, that's carpeted throughout. You've got obviously storage under the two singles. This could, I guess, be converted into a double if that's what you wanted. She benefits from Webasto heating throughout with radiators. This cupboard is just storage. We go into the heads or the shower room. The shower's been disconnected and taken off because obviously the winter just needs to be put back together. Pump out well over 1,000 litres in a tank. Privacy doors, these are obviously open and close, and they're privacy doors as well. And we come into the main double. It's on a radiator, little towel rail or clothes rail. Again, another wardrobe. Nice bright boat. And then forward, come into what is another second bathroom. Again, pump out. Both electronic toilets. Again, privacy door. Again, more storage. And into the main saloon. This drops down to make another double. Quite well appointed little kitchen. Full size cooker. With a fridge with little small mini freezer. Which has actually got the Black Prince mugs and crockery, etc. that came with the boat as well. Fire was new in 2020, 2021 I believe. Obviously built-in stereo, small television. And then forward into the crutch area. Nice curtains as well.